Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an alliance banner in Whiteout Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so go ahead and open up your Alliance Whiteout Survival game. From here, we want to click on the Alliance tab at the bottom of the page. From here, we need to click onto the Settings tab. And then if we go ahead and look at the flag button on the top right hand corner of the page, go ahead and click. Now we can use a custom banner here. So we can go ahead and create it here. So I can choose the base. It's all these different colors. And then also we've got a badge here. So we can choose which badge we'd like to use. So yeah, just go ahead and have a look. We've got some ones that are behind a lock. So if I go ahead and click on these lock ones, it's going to say unlocks after achieving ultimate tier and alliance championship. So these unlock as the more as your alliance or you progress through the game. And now once you like your banner, go ahead and click on OK. Now if I go back to my alliance, you can see I've changed that banner.